How to fix Instagram widescreen easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple. Just open the settings page on your phone and scroll down to the apps right here, and after that all what you have to do is very simple. Click here on apps and it will take you directly to this page. Now all what you have to do is wait a few seconds and you will find all the apps you have on your phone. Scroll down, click on Instagram, click on this option, it's called force stop, and then go to the storage option and wait a few seconds. Right here on this page it will start computing the data number that you have, and click on this clear data, and then go down and click on clear cache. Go back again, and this time make sure to go to the app details right here and check if there is a new update. If there is a new one, just click here on update. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe.